Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, Dassault Systèmes is there with you.